Here is Sayaka Kawamura, and she's cutting her newest block. She hasn't decided on the title yet, but when she's decided it, she will let us know.
We've been representing Kawamura Sayaka's work for a few years now, but it's always a treat to go to the artist's studio and sniff around and see how they present their tools, what kind of paper they use, how they work. We visited her early one Sunday morning, and Sayaka-san very nicely showed us her rolls of tosa washi paper, her carving tools very neatly arrayed, and a few new pieces that she was working on. All in all, it was a delightful time, and we really enjoyed getting to know this artist better.